Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to change the mouse pointer color on Windows 11. Windows 11 is feature packed without any doubt whatsoever. One of my favorite Windows features is the ability to customize the mouse pointer color. Whether you find the default color of the mouse a bit dull or wish to give the pointer a different look for a more personalized experience, you'd be pleased to know that there is a neat way to tweak the color of the mouse pointer on Windows. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, click on the Start menu on your Windows computer. Then choose the Settings app to proceed. After that, select Accessibility in the left sidebar. Under Interaction section, choose Mouse. Then select Mouse Pointer. After that, click on the Custom option to choose the desired color. Then select the preferred color from the recommended options. If you would rather want to select another color, click on the plus button and then pick the desired color. And once you have selected the preferred color, make sure to click on the done button and you are good to go. And voila, have a glance at the mouse pointer. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool Windows tip, make the most of it to give your mouse pointer a unique look as and when the need arrives. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.